We're here in the RTW kitchen after the incredible conversation that we had about nutrition and being a smart shopper and a smart eater.
Yep.
Okay, so I have a little bit of a dilemma because mornings are really hectic in my house, getting my kids ready and off to school. I'll have my iced coffee, but then I rush out the door, I get to the office. What do I do?
So if you have an office kitchen like this, one of the best things that you could do is you could even have your breakfast components in the fridge, freezer, and pantry like we have here. So we are going to make a Health with Hunter yogurt bowl, which is my favorite breakfast. I like a non-fat Greek yogurt because it is low in fat, high in protein, and we can add in the fat into our bowl in other ways, which we will add in a second. So we have around a serving of non-fat Greek yogurt in each bowl. That's perfect. Next, we want to mix in a protein powder, but we don't want to mix in one that has artificial junk and all of the garbage. So this is a grass-fed whey protein powder. It's Vanilla Bean by Just Ingredients, one of my all-time favorite brands. And this has 22 grams of protein coming from 4 different protein sources in each serving. So we're just going to add maybe like a quarter of it into each, and it's not going to come out clumpy or gross or chalky because it is a very high quality protein powder. If you smell it, it's like
Oh, it does.
oh yeah, it smells like vanilla.
Nothing artificial.
Nothing. And then what I love doing is I go in with organic frozen wild blueberries. I like frozen fruit because it's frozen at its peak ripeness, which is very important. Organic, no pesticides. This adds antioxidants, more nutrients, fiber, of course.
The color is
the best. And also pretty much lasts forever in your freezer. Next, we go into the fun toppings. Healthy food does not need to be boring. So one of my all-time favorite cereals. This is a glyphosate-free version of Honey Nut Cheerios. So no pesticides. This is Lovebird. We're gonna go in with a little bit under 1 serving. And what I love about it, it tastes so good. Healthy carbs, gives you energy for the workday. Very important. And then we go in with our jam. This is Smash Foods.
I love Smash Foods.
So we do 1 heaping tablespoon, which is so good. It's literally the star of my show. Star of the yogurt bowl. And it's just so delicious.
That's raspberry, it has chia in it.
Lemon juice.
And dates.
Sweetened with dates. And then last but not least, almond butter. So that's about 1 tablespoon. So in this bowl, we have protein, we have fiber-filled carbs from the cereal, and we also have healthy fats. And this is a healthy breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, dessert that will definitely keep you full for a few hours.
That is so good.
I know. It's like ridiculous. And you also save so much money making this compared to getting breakfast delivered or going to a coffee shop and getting stuff. It's just health made simple. Cheers.